Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the dfn tag. So what this tag does that the when the element is used, we can use represent an instant opterm like in HTML or definition, the first use case term in documents, when you define something like that. So this is the way you can do this. So how we gonna do that? First I'm gonna show normal, and then I'm gonna use the dfm. So first use the p tag, our standard for everything. So is html is the web standard for making or creating web pages. That's it, guys. So you can see there is no different. If you want, you can use the capital letter you want, but that doesn't make any difference, but for that we have the dfn tag. So just need to type as dfn tag and got the HTML with command X and V. The moment you're done, you can see it's like a definition which you're giving to us. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.